Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Kubernetes autoscaling for ML workloads, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by accessing your Kubernetes cluster. Open your terminal or command line interface. Authenticate with your Kubernetes cluster using the appropriate credentials. Confirm you are connected by running the command kubectl cluster info. Identify the namespace where your machine learning workloads are running. You can do this using the command kubectl get namespaces. Next, list the deployments within the specified namespace. Run kubectl get deployments in your namespace to see all deployments. Locate the deployment that corresponds to your machine learning workload. Make a note of its name for the next step. To disable autoscaling, you need to remove the horizontal pod autoscaler, or HPA. Check if HPA is currently applied by running kubectl get HPA in your namespace. If an HPA is present for your ML deployment, you'll see it listed. To delete the HPA, run kubectl delete HPA name in your namespace. Confirm the deletion by rerunning the HPA command to ensure it's gone. Next, review the deployment configuration to ensure it is set correctly. Run kubectl edit deployment name in your namespace. In the editor, locate the section that specifies resources for your pods. Ensure that requests and limits are properly defined for CPU and memory. If autoscaling has been set based on these metrics, consider adjusting the resource requests. After making necessary changes, save and close the editor. To verify that autoscaling is disabled, recheck the HPA with kubectl get HPA in your namespace. Additionally, you can monitor the deployment to ensure it is running as expected. Use the command kubectl get pods in your namespace to view the current status. Finally, confirm that the number of replicas is consistent with your specifications. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.